hours. I'm thirsty. Ah. What's the flavor?
Banana, peanut butter, and coconut.
Are you going out now?
Yeah, let's go.
What did you say, dear? Dear, what did you say to me?
Nothing.
You said something. What did you say? Be nice to me?
Yeah.
I'm not nice? Hi guys. Ito ang outfit natin today. Cleaning at bunot ng ngipin. So, may papainom daw silang gamot sa akin para ako ay antukin. Which is nice. My daddy is with me. It feels so numb. Very numb. Like they already cleaned my mouth, my teeth, and then this baby tooth needs to be pulled out. It has to go. It's about time. Yeah, it's gone.
Let me see.
Let's see.
Let me see.
There's a small space. Thank God it's not big.
Yeah.
It's not even noticeable. So guys, they took my baby tooth, which is nice. We still have to go back to dentist. I'm still a little dizzy because they gave me medicine for me to feel a little sleepy and disoriented. I'm already hungry. My husband gave me ice cream. Ice cream, guys. Pwede daw kumain ng ice cream. Pero mamaya, gusto ko magpaluto ng siomai kasi may siomai naman ako dun gawa na, i-steam niya na lang. Meron pa akong empanada. Pwede niyang air fryer. Leftover pancit. He must be hungry too.
I'm good.
Sure.
You want pancit?
Later.
So mine? Oh,
Later.
we can't heat the pancit. Oh, I can heat it in the pan.
Okay, my dear. Guys, dinala ni Tito yung empanada dito. Kasi yung gamot nakakaantok. Nakaidlip ako. Let's see.
Is it frozen still?
Huh?
Is it frozen still? Sorry.
I'm afraid to use my teeth.
You're okay.
Yeah, but I'll brush my teeth.
Be gentle in the front where your tooth was pulled.
I feel like it's okay.
No straws. Is that your first time in a wheelchair?
No, my second time.
When you had your kidney stones?
Yeah, I had to sit in the wheelchair when they took my kidney stone. Hi guys, so this is my third empanada. In-air fry na lang dahil tamad kami magluto. We're tired. I mean, I'm not that tired, but because of the pill, they made me drink a pill so they can extract my tooth. Ayan na siya, guys. Vacant na siya. So I just want to share the costing here in US. And I was very shocked because it's way too expensive. Kaya kung magpupunta kayo ng US, make your teeth done in the Philippines before you come here. Yan ang magandang suggestion dyan, guys. Kasi yung ngipin ko, hindi naman daw ganun kalala. So, kailangan siyang Invisalign. Para siyang clear plastic. Para makorek yung bite mo, yung alignment, para maging maganda yung smile mo. So, that alone costs $4,000. Not covered by insurance. So, that's around 200,000 pesos. Diba? And then, we have another extra bill around $2,000 covered by the insurance of my husband. So, very shocking sa akin yun. Ayoko mag-spend siya ng ganun. Pero siya kasi yung nangungulit, guys, na magpa-dentist ako. Hindi ko siya talaga plano this year. So, nagkagulatan kami doon sa cashier. Pero dahil nandun na nga kami, yun na nga. Pero yun, guys, hulugan yun. Monthly dito. So, parang, i-enjoy ko na lang. Total, nandyan na. Hindi ko pa sure kung yung extra $700 pababayaran sa amin. So, imagine niyo yun. Yun lang na yun. Isang ngipin lang yung binunot sa akin, cleaning. Let's say, wala yung Invisalign. Nasa $2,000 na siya. Para na siyang 100,000 sa Pinas. Parang nagsisisi talaga ako na sana sa Pinas ko na lang pinagawa yung ngipin ko. Dahil sobrang mahal dito. Pero yun nga, guys. Ma-share ko lang sa inyo yan na totoo pala na sobrang expensive dito. So, alagaan nyo yung mga ngipin nyo. Yan na, guys. Wala na siya. Yun, kaya ako inantok kasi during cleaning at nung binunutan ako ng ngipin, may pinainom silang pampaantok. Kasi ayoko talaga nagpupunta ng dentist, guys. Kasi yung dental experience ko sa Pinas, masakit. Ayoko yung ini-injectionan ako. Pero dito, na-surprise ako, guys, kasi usually sa Pinas, kung saan yung ngipin mo, doon i-inject. Let's say, kung ito yung masakit, dyan i-injection na, tapos kukunin yung ngipin. Yung sa akin, iba, in-injection, maraming injection, pero hindi masakit, hindi malalim. Yun, dito lang ako, sa palibot, sa ilalim ng muscles. Tapos yun, nag-numb na yung mouth ko. Tapos, nilinis nila, after nilinis, binunot naman yung ngipin. So, inisip ko, mag-i-inject pa ba sila ng isa pang anesthesia, which is wala na. So, natanggal nila yun nang hindi ko nararamdaman. Kasi kaya hindi ako nagpapadenti sa Pinas. Kasi, sobrang sakit ng injection. Kaya hindi na ako Tapos, yun nga today, afternoon, yung ngipin ko dito sa dulo, siguro may cavities na siya. So, kailangan siyang ipa-check. Pero sa ibang dental clinic. So, yan na naman yung isa naming isipin. So, sa ibang dental clinic. Tapos, yung sa side dito, meron daw kailangang pastahan. So, guys, imagine niyo additional gastos na naman yan. Kaya wala yan sa aming plans. Pero, pinagpipray ko na lang na ma-overcome namin yan, guys. Kasi, wala talaga siya sa aking plan this year. Iba yung gusto kong pagtuunan. Well, anyway, yun na yun. Na-share ko lang sa inyo, guys. So, yung mga pupunta dito sa US, dyan nyo na ipagawa yung ngipin nyo. Para mas makatipid kayo.